It's not just foreign firms that are cutting down operations or ultimately packing their bags and bolting out of the Philippines. Even local flag carrier Philippine Airlines admits that it is taking a hit from the travel bans in the wake of the COVID-19 outbreak.
Asia's oldest airline is cutting jobs as the industry has plunged in disarray after different countries closed their doors to travelers from virus-hit nations. JC Cosico with the story.
In just a month, several multinational firms packed their bags and left the country, displacing thousands of workers. These include the closure of the Honda plant in Santa Rosa, Laguna, the shutdown of Tokia's Diliman office, and Wells Fargo's downsizing of its operations. But it's not just multinationals who are taking a hit from the coronavirus outbreak. Philippine Airlines is also cutting 300 jobs after governments imposed travel bans on infected countries. The situation is further confounded by its 2019 losses, which hit more than 10 billion pesos last year, the worst in its corporate history. Labor group Defend Jobs Philippines says over 2,000 Filipino workers would be affected by these closures and retrenchments. They warn that if this persists, it could plunge the country into an employment crisis. COVID-19 cases have spread outside of Asia and has affected Europe, Africa, and the Americas. The trade union, Congress of the Philippines, fears this is just the beginning.
Magti-trigger ito ng layoff at retrench at para naman makakope yung mga companies dito sa unang-una yung mga travel ban na ipinapatupad ng ating gobyerno at yung mga travel ban na ipinapatupad ng ibang bansa.
Apart from the hospitality and tourism sector, the TUCP claims that the outbreak can also impact land-based OFWs.
Yung mga teachers, mga drivers, entertainers, cooks, waiters, receptionists at household service workers o yung mga domestic workers natin. Ito yung mga overseas Filipino workers na tinatayan nating mawawalan din ng trabaho dahil yung bansang pinagtatrabahuan nila ay maapektuhan din.
But should this happen, the Labor Department says it's ready to provide financial assistance to would-be affected employees. That's aside from ensuring that workers be given separation benefits once their employers have decided to let them go.
Gusto pa muna namin i-verify kung nasaan po yun, hanapin kung nasaang probinsya, nasaang rehiyon, para makapagbigay po kami ng karampatang pong tulong dun po sa maapektuhang manggagawa. Well, ang separation pay po ay depende po sa ground. Either po 1 month for every year of service or 1/2 month for every year of service.
Dole, together with TESDA, also plans to subject laid-off workers to retraining so that they can get hired in a different industry. The department plans to do this to the 400 displaced Honda employees.
Sir, what do you think is the likelihood na makakakuha sila ng trabaho? Considering, sir, yung iba sa kanila na sa mga 40s na, 50s na.
Well, sila po ay highly skilled eh. May iba pa naman pong mga industriya o kumpanya na nag-ooperate po dito sa Pilipinas na nangangailangan ng mga skill na yun.
As of now, Dole claims that 182 former employees of Philippine Airlines have received their separation benefits, while the rest are still undecided whether or not they will accept the severance pay.
Kasi ang una pong lumabas po dito ay voluntary separation. So nasa decision po talaga ng manggagawa kung gusto niya nang umalis po sa PAL at maghanap ng ibang trabaho o kaya magnegosyo.
Over in Congress, the House Committee on Labor will conduct a hearing on Tuesday on the series of layoffs in order to get to the bottom of the closures and to discuss possible assistance that the lawmakers may be able to provide to those who lost their jobs. Senator Sonny Angara, meanwhile, is also calling on Dole to conduct a survey of companies that are laying off workers due to economic issues or COVID-related concerns. Angara also advises citizens who were laid off to reach out to the Labor Department for aid while they're looking for new jobs. For News 5, JC Cosico, We Are One News.